got the right keys. And that generator light keeps flashing. I don't know what that's about. I don't know. It's time for me to get something else. I'm glad I'm selling this thing. Well, not yet, because he ain't called yet. I ain't got time for this crap. This feels like when I'm broke down. I'm just sitting out here in the car as usual. Sitting out here now waiting for the phone call. You just gonna wait for it to start. What's the doggone difference? Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'm always waiting in this car. Yes, I'm out here now. Uh-huh. Okay. I can let you hear it run just a second. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hang on 1 second. At. I'm sorry about that. Hold on a second. Uh-huh. Let me call you right back, okay? Now he's gonna think I'm just crazy. My nerves can't take this shit. Now it won't even start. I think it's meant for me to keep this piece of shit. My cigarette went out. I'm not gonna try. I'm just gonna sit here and just pump the gas. I'll just sit here and do this. I ain't got nothing else to do. Maybe somebody else will call in a few minutes. This is bullshit. Oh well. The hell with it. I give up. This piece of shit won't even start now. I'm going inside.